Welcome to Ward Environmental Services, the foremost off-mains drainage consultancy covering the southeast of England. Now this video shows a recent installation we did of a WTE Apex 6 sewage treatment plant with an integral discharge pump. And this is something we installed on a property in Warnham, Horsham in Sussex in the UK. If you have any queries about off-mains drainage and would like to find out how we can help, please give us a call on 077 15 217 498. That's 077 15 217 498. We'll look forward to hearing from you.